Tracking updates are essential for smooth order fulfillment, and Ordoro makes it easy to manage them, even when things don't go as planned. Let me show you how to retry tracking Writeback. Ordoro's automated tracking updates sales channels when a shipping label is generated. If tracking Writeback fails, affected orders are tagged for easy retry. Go to the Orders tab, click Filters, and select Shipped Status with the Failed Shipment Notification tag. Select the orders, go to Actions, and choose Retry Tracking Writeback. In the pop-up modal, click Yes to confirm. The Sync button will spin as the Writeback processes, and a confirmation message will appear. If needed, delete and recreate labels to resend tracking to your sales channel. And there you have it. Managing tracking issues is simple with Ordoro, helping you keep your workflow efficient and your customers informed.